Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels make thousands of dollars in just a few months? This channel has impressively earned over $65,000 in just 9 months, all thanks to the power of AI technology. Curious about how they did it? I'll break down their success story today. Like many, I was initially skeptical about YouTube automation, but the tools I'll introduce can efficiently run a channel. But before diving into the techniques, let's take a closer look at their earnings. While many boast about inflated social blade figures, we're here to confirm this channel's monetization status for real. By utilizing AI tools for content creation, video editing, and SEO optimization, this channel has streamlined its processes and maximized productivity. These tools not only save time, but also improve the quality and reach of the content. If you're aiming to enhance your YouTube channel's performance, stay tuned to discover how these strategies can benefit you. This channel's success story illustrates the potential of technology to transform online content creation into a profitable enterprise. We'll use isthischannelmonetized.com for verification. Once confirmed, I'll explain how you can achieve similar success with the right AI techniques. Let's get started. Simply input any YouTube channel, including YouTube Shorts channels, and it'll confirm if it's approved for monetization. So now you can call out all the creators who are capping their earnings. When we plug in this Car Maniacs channel, we can see that they are indeed approved for monetization. But how much are they actually making? To know this, we need to get a sense for their CPMs. A CPM is the amount that an advertiser pays per 1,000 views on that channel. Luckily for them, the Carns have a CPM of around $4. So now, we just do some simple maths. 17 million views divided by 1,000 multiplied by 4. As you can see, they've likely made more than $65,000 already, and they started this channel just 9 months ago. Obviously not bad, but just wait till you see how easy it is to make this kind of content. But how did they do it? Well, let's take a quick look at their content. For the rest of this video, I'm going to show you how you can script, edit, and narrate videos just like this one, using only AI. We're going to reverse engineering this entire process. And don't worry, in case you're not a car person, this method can be applied to literally any niche. And later in this video, I'm actually going to show you 2 new niches that are totally untapped and trending right now. And that brings us to step 1, which is figuring out a topic for our videos. At the time this video was made, about a new engine that's powered by hydrogen. I call this the right place, right time. No matter what niche you apply this to, you need to be making content about something that is trending. So to figure out what is trending right now in the car news, I'm going to come to ChatGPT. I'm just going to ask for some new eco-friendly engines that are being made right now. And this is the list that it gave me. I think a good video topic could be about the Tesla Model 3. Teslas are interesting, and Elon Musk is always in the news, so maybe we could leverage that a bit. Next, we're going to come over to the new AI tool that makes all of this possible. It's called InVideo AI, and you guys are going to be pretty mind-blown about how automated this process can truly be. Once you're in, it's going to take you to this page where you can input a prompt and give detailed instructions on what we're looking for in our video. And this is the prompt formula that you should use. I pasted a copy of it below in the description for you so you can basically just plug and play with whatever topic that you personalize with. For my video, our goal is to make a video as close to the example that got 13 million views as possible. So I'm going to have it create a 12-minute video. And the reason that I want it to be 12 minutes is because once you're monetized, you can run mid-roll ads on any video that's longer than 8 minutes, meaning you can get double or triple the ad revenue that a video that's shorter than 8 minutes might get. Next, I'm going to tell the AI that this is for YouTube and what we're talking about. I want to instruct it to include parts about Elon Musk because, again, I want to use him in my thumbnail. And let's be honest, he's the GOAT. We're going to tell it to use stock footage. And this is the style. Oh, and this is big. We need to tell it what the plot actually is. Think of it kind of like a thesis paper. This video needs to prove something to the viewer, and we're going to tell people why the Model 3 engine is better than a normal car engine. We're going to make the voicemail because I assume that most car fans are dudes, and let's have it be a British accent because the F1 commentators are usually British. Then next, I'm going to tell it what kind of music to include. Once we're happy with our prompt, we're just going to click Generate Video, and it's going to bring us to this screen. Here, you can see that they're trying to understand our audience, the look and feel, and the platform that we're ultimately going to share this on. So I'm going to go ahead and select car enthusiast, minimalist, modern, and YouTube, then click Continue. Now we're going to let the ad do its thing. No more wasting hours script writing, no more looking for stock footage, no more hunting down good music. InVideo's AI can do all of this for us. It analyzes websites and articles online, so we know that it's getting decent information. Usually, it takes about 3 minutes to put together the entire video. So voila, we have our entire video. But since AI created this, there's probably going to be some stuff that you might want to change, right? So I'm going to show you the 3 best ways to improve your videos on this site. After watching our first draft, I noticed that the book is pretty boring. One of Elon Musk's visionary contributions stands unmatched in the automobile. And as we all know on YouTube, if you don't hook the viewer in the first 30 seconds, then you're not going to get views. So we need to improve this. The first way we can do this is by coming below and giving the magic box a simple command. For example, I think that the book should mention Elon, so I'll say this. That's a lot better in my opinion. This magic box can be used for way more than the book. You could tell it to change the style to dramatic. You could tell it to show clips of funny people, basically anything you want. I kind of think of it like the ChatGPT of video editing. The second way we can edit this is to actually click Edit. Here, we can edit the media or the script. So if I want to start by improving the book, I'll come to the Edit Script section and change this sentence to, "But you won't believe how Elon is changing the game with the new Model 3 engine." Now we've created some excitement in the script, but let's say that we don't like the footage that the AI made for us. Now we can come back into Edit Media and select the clip that we want to replace. Then just come down to this little search box and search for whatever you'd rather show instead. For this clip, I'll search for a different C engine that's more visually appealing to show here. And then I'll just click Replace. Another thing that's really cool about this tool is that you can use it on your computer, but you can also use it on your phone. So I can basically pick up on a project where I left off on my phone through their app. Once you've gone through the entire script and made all the edits that you want, then you can just click Export. Imagine a world where your car not only takes you places, but also helps save the planet. That's not a far-fetched dream. It's a reality with the Tesla Model 3. You can get started with InVideo AI for free. But if you're serious about video creation and want to publish videos without a watermark, then you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, which starts as low as $20 per month. Now we need to make a good title and a thumbnail. Normally, I would do this before I created the video, but today I got too excited and we jumped right into all the automated AI video stuff. To make a really good thumbnail for this, we can just use ChatGPT. I'm going to ask for a photo of a Tesla. And if you don't like the first one that it comes up with, we can get pretty specific until we're happy. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and crop a photo of Elon over it to hopefully draw in some extra views from his cult-like following. Now we're about 95% of the way there. The last step is basically to upload a really good title and tags so that we draw in the right viewers to see our content. Our job with this step is to help coach YouTube to basically push this out to the right people, aka car enthusiasts. So I'm just going to go ahead and title it this. For tags, we can come back to ChatGPT and ask for tags that are relevant to what our video was talking about. I went ahead and uploaded the video that we created today so that you can go check it out if you feel like it. Please keep in mind that you guys are not the target audience, and if you only watch it for a couple of seconds, it's going to hurt the algorithm. This video might not hit the viral mark, but I've got 2 sizzling niche ideas for you. First up, UFC fighter content is on fire. Channels featuring stars like Conor McGregor and Israel Adesanya are pulling in tons of views. The audience is huge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube AI for more tips. I'm excited to see the videos you come up with. Catch you next time.